Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to give a tip on these brookie bodies from JCONCEPTS, probably even Proline and whoever else makes them. This one's about over 2 years old, so you know, I got in on it when the craze started happening. Plus they looked better. Nobody really knew probably the weak points of them. So in the bed area, it's the plastic thickness is really thin. So I had put RC Body Armor Dragon Skin. Shout out to Brent. And while it did hold up for a while, I think on all my next bodies I'll be putting something stronger, and then on top of it I'll probably put the Dragon Skin. I mean, for right now the best thing I can do is probably add a little bit of the E6000 and probably just add it in here into the weak point to kind of help seal that up. But I think on the newer bodies that I get, we're gonna put some drywall tape. Right, we're gonna reinforce those areas, and then we're gonna put that E6000 over the drywall tape to create a pretty tight bond. I have it done this way on a few of my other bodies. Not sure why I didn't do it on this one, but I didn't realize that that would be such a weak point because of it being so thin. So, and as you can see, it's starting to kind of crack up. So I need to send another body out to Smiley. Thanks, bud. Good luck next week at DNC. But yeah, just wanted to share that quick tip. So when you get your body back from the painter or you finish the rattle can job, make sure you're reinforcing this area here, because it is super thin Lexan, a lot thinner than the rest, or at least it feels like it. Or maybe it's just wear and tear, who knows. But definitely a spot I'm gonna give some TLC to for the next time. Thanks guys.